We'll guide you through how to create a second Gmail account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Gmail, so for whatever reason you're looking to go and create a second account. Maybe perhaps right now you're using a work account and so you want to go and have a second one. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So make sure this full guide so you know what you need to do step by step. It's important to note that you are going to be creating a new Google account as well, as that's what Gmail is a part of. So at the end of this guide, you're going to go and have a new Gmail email address. So then you can go and start using that, receiving emails, sending from it, and doing whatever you want to with it. So first of all, you need to come to Gmail or Google because of course, Google is a part of Gmail, so you can do it on Google, but we're doing it from Gmail, as you can see here. So once you're on the Gmail site, what you need to do is go and head to the top right. You can go and see my account profile icon, go and tap on yours. Now, what you're going to do here is you're going to go and see your account and you should see the option for add account. If you already have multiple accounts in this browser, you need to go and press the show accounts button and then you can go down the list and find the option for add another account. But I don't, so I can just press add account like so and you're going to get taken to the login screen as you can see here. So then here it's asked you to go and sign in, but of course we're looking to go and create an account. So we can then go down and find the option for create account and click there. You then can choose if it's for your personal use, for your child, or for work or business. So in this case, it's for personal use. Doing this will go and give us the new Gmail email address. So we'll go and click there. To get started, enter in your first name, and then you need to go and enter in your surname. That is optional, but I'm going to go and add it in, and you then need to go and press next. Go and wait. Now you need to go and enter in this basic info here. So I'm going to type mine in now. Make sure you go and enter it in correctly. And then I can go and choose my gender here. Then you can press next. Now we need to go and create an email address, aka our Gmail email address. So it's going to go and give you some examples here. Of course, your email does have to be completely unique. So I would ideally like robtucker@gmail.com, but somebody's already got that. But you can always test that. So you can press create your own Gmail address and go and type in what you may want. And if I then go and press next here, you'll go and see that it's taken. So it does have to go and be unique. So I'm going to go and type in robtucker@GuideRealm@gmail.com, and then I'll go and press next, and you can see that's available. Now we need to go and create a strong password because this is how we're going to sign back into our account in the future. So make sure it's something you're going to go and remember. Press next like so. You have to go and confirm it there. Now what we need to do is go and open up the QR code on our phone. So go and open up the camera app on your phone, and then what you can do is go and scan it. I'm just doing that now. You'll get a pop-up prompting you to open your messages app, and then what will happen is it will go and have a number ready to go and send a message to with a code in. You need to go and send it to that number, and that will go and then verify it. After you successfully send that message, you can then go and enter in a recovery email. I'm going to skip that in this case. Then you can go and review your account info here and press next. You can then choose your settings. I'll just go and choose it in one step, but you can go and choose it in 4 if you want to. So I'm going to go through here, make sure you read this through and understand it. And then if you're ready, you can go and press accept all or reject all. In this case, I accept it all. And you can then go and just confirm your settings here and read this through. And then when you're ready, you can go and press confirm. Make sure you read the privacy and terms through. I already have read this through already, so I'll press I agree at the bottom. Wait for this to go and complete. And here I just need to go and verify, so I can go and scan this here. We just need to go and verify our info to continue. So I'll go and press verifying your phone number like so, and I'll then go and enter it in. Enter in the code they sent, and the access is now being unlocked, so go and be patient. And as you can see, we've now successfully gone and created our second Gmail account. Choose if you want smart features. I do. You go and get more options. I'll press next. You can then choose if you want them in workspace. I will press next, and I have them here as well and go and press save. That's it. We can then reload Gmail, and we've now gone and created our second account. And now we can go and start using the email. If you go and press your profile icon in the top right, you can check it at the top here, and you can go and switch accounts by pressing show more accounts and switch back to the other one there if you want to. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.